So you just booked a trip to our Southern California oasis. Oh, you're gonna love it. But now comes the part that some people love and others dread. The packing process. But don't sweat it, because you've got me as your trusty Greater Palm Springs pro to guide you through every step of this packing journey. This is your guide to packing for a trip to Greater Palm Springs. My goal is to help you avoid looking like this so that you can spend all your energy looking like this. First things first, no matter what brings you to our Southern California oasis, there are a few items every visitor should bring. We're pretty proud to say we have 300 plus days of sunshine here in Greater Palm Springs, which means you're going to want to pack some sun protection. I'm talking SPF, sunglasses, layers, a hat, all the things. And when it comes to our wardrobe vibe, we want our visitors to express their most authentic selves. But a good rule of thumb, anything with a bright and bold pattern is always encouraged, although you can really never go wrong with easy breezy and comfortable. Now, let's say you're planning to head out on one of our scenic hikes. We do have more than 100. You're gonna need a few things. Most importantly, you'll need a reusable water bottle and a bag to carry all of your essentials, like wipes, Band-Aids, a compass, and a whistle, should you be separated from your group. Oh, and you can really never have too many hats. But if chillin' poolside is more your vibe, mine too, then you're gonna need my 3 S's: sunnies, swimwear, and SPF. Like a lot of SPF. Ooh, and if you want to spice up your après swim look, don't forget your most fabulous vintage caftan. You can also pick one up while you're here at some of our amazing vintage shops. Let's say you've got the family in tow. Then I suggest bringing a carry-all bag to fit anything your family might need throughout the day. Plus, inside you can have a little pouch with all your essentials, anything your kids might need. And then I definitely suggest having one of these fun Polaroid cameras to capture all the amazing memories from your stay. If wellness is what you're after, might I suggest a massage? This is your chance to bust out all those athleisure sets that you purchased in 2020. Bring them all. Well, maybe not all of them, just a few. I also suggest bringing a journal, an inspiring book, and saving some soothing spa music to have on your phone and play in the background as you're relaxing. And if you're joining us for one of our signature festivals, get ready for some fun. You'll absolutely want to bring a bandana, just in case it gets a little dusty. Plus, some comfortable shoes, because you'll be dancing all day and all night. One thing lots of people don't think about, and it truly is an essential, is something to keep you warm when the sun goes down. Oh, and I almost forgot the most important thing that anyone needs to bring on a trip to Greater Palm Springs: a sense of adventure, endless curiosity, and an open heart and mind, because you never know what you will find. Now that you're packed and prepared for just about any adventure in our oasis, I've got one question for you. What's first on your Greater Palm Springs agenda? Let us know in the comments below.